Good morning, students. This is your online class. This is the online class of class 8, and today I'll be starting with the chapter conjunction. Okay, and this is English language class. So, what is conjunction? Conjunction joins two sentences. The conjunction joins together two words only. Conjunction is a word which merely joins together sentences and sometimes words. So here, let's see. Bablu and Vital are good bowlers. That means and is a conjunction. Okay, is a short way of saying Bablu is good bowler and Vital is a good bowler. So both it joining a sentence also or a word also. Okay, like Bablu and Vital are good bowlers. It means that is a short way of saying that Bablu is a good bowler and Vital is a good bowler. Okay. So the man is poor but honest. Here conjunction is but. So another example I will give you. Tell them that I will come, and that is a conjunction. He finished first though he began late. Though is a conjunction. Okay, I'll repeat again the definition of conjunction. Okay. So what is conjunction? Conjunction means joining together two sentences. Okay. Or conjunction joins together two words only. So conjunction means joining two sentences. For example, Bablu is a good bowler and Vital is a good bowler. That is, and is joining the two sentences. Okay. The same way, conjunction joins together two words only, like Bablu and Vital are good bowlers. And is a that is a joining word. Okay. Same way, the man is poor but he is honest. But is a conjunction here. Okay. And what happened is that sometimes, however, the conjunction and join words only as two and two makes four. So sometimes conjunction joins two words. Okay. Hari, for example, I am giving you an example. Hari and Rama came home together. Conjunction must be carefully distinguished, okay, from relative pronoun, relative adverb and preposition. See here. This is a house that Jack built. It is a relative pronoun. This is a place. That is a relative pronoun. This is a place where he was murdered. It is a relative adverb. Where, okay. Take this and give that take this and give that. So and is a conjunction. As you all have studied adverb, relative pronoun, okay, in class 7 as well. So you must be familiar with those terms. And I will be teaching you what is adverb or relative pronoun as well if you have a confusion. So what I told you, conjunction is joining of two words or joining of two sentences, or what happened, join together two words. Okay, like that. What is so some conjunctions are also used in pairs. Okay, let's read it out. Which all conjunctions are used in pair? So either or, see here, either take it or leave it. These are two pairs of conjunction. Neither nor, it is neither useful nor ornamental. Both and, we both love and honor him. Though yet, though I am giving pair conjunction as well as the examples of the pair conjunction. Okay. though he is suffering much pain, yet he does not complain. Whether or I do not care whether you go or stay. Not only, but also. Not only is he foolish, but also obstinate. Obstinate. Okay. So what is this chapter is about conjunction. Okay. So I will give you conjunction. Okay. I will give you exercise work of conjunction.